today I'm in a Pilgrim V8, doing a Pilgrim V8 video. Brilliant. So today I'm in this beautiful factory built 2005 Cobra. The donor car for this car, because all of these Cobra kit cars were built off of a donor car, and this one was built from a Sierra Cosworth running gear. So it's got the brakes and the suspension. Just have a listen to that. So we got the running gear from a 1990 Sierra Cosworth. So that's brakes, suspension, steering, back axle. So that's the running gear. Then of course we've got the Pilgrim chassis and the beautiful, very, very authentic fiberglass body. The fiberglass body is painted in Ford Pacifica Blue with the Le Mans stripes on it. We've got the Halibrand wheels. Then under the bonnet we've got a 5.5 litre small block Chevy. Started life as a 5 litre, but was then stroked, which meant increased length of bore. So we now got 5.5 litre V8 and is churning out 300 horsepower and it's been dynoed at that. We've got a 5-speed, so there's 5th gear, 5-speed box as well. Nice light clutch. We got, as you noticed from the video, we got 2 side exit exhausts. So as you can hear, the sound is, I think, what you describe as thunderous. The great thing about these Cobras open top motoring is that you don't have to actually go fast to feel like you're going fast. It really is a very sensory experience. The steering on these cars is really nice. Brakes feel really good as well. But just have a listen. That it just picks up like you would not believe it in 4th gear at 30 miles an hour. And sounds fantastic. So when the car was built, there was always a choice of how you could specify your car. And the guy who had this car built was an Apache helicopter pilot in the army, and he wanted the dashboard to be set out a bit like I think it was a Lynx helicopter, actually, a Lynx dashboard. And as you notice, we've got the compass in the middle, and basically these dials are set out with the starter button and the rocker switches down here, a bit like an Apache helicopter or a Lynx helicopter. And of course it's got the full weather kit as well, so it's got a full hood, zips up windows. It's actually also got a full tonneau cover as well, so you can put the whole thing covered over if you want to leave it with the hood down, but have a bit of weather protection as well. We've got the sun visors, the wind deflectors, the nice chrome heater vents, and then we got the full leather pack, which includes door cards, seats, gears, gear stick gaiter, handbrake gaiter. Then we've got a push button start, and these were all like optional extras that you could choose when getting your car factory built. We've got the full carpet pack, which extends to the rear bulkhead, up the sides, into the front, all across the transmission tunnel. We've got a motor lead steering wheel. We've got the twin side exit exhausts, and of course the rear hoops, roll bar hoops. One of the great things about this car as well, it has been obviously bespoke build at the Pilgrim factory, but it's been enjoyed and loved by all of its owners. And there is a great big file, about that thick, an A4 file of all the paperwork and invoices and everything that's been done to the car, so that you can just see, just by looking at the car and feeling the way it drives, it just feels a fully sorted car. And I would urge you to come and have a look at the car and look through the paperwork, have a drive in it, talk to Mark about it. He'll tell you all about it, all the full details of all of the work that's been carried out on the car. But as I say, so the engine was rebuilt to the 5 and extended to 5.5 litres. So here we are, driving back into Small Dole, back to where this car started life, in the factory at Pilgrim. So if you'd like to find out more about this car, give Mark a call. He'll tell you all about it. What a fabulous car this is.